In the year 1688, England found itself embroiled in a political upheaval of extraordinary proportions. King James II, a man of questionable rule and allegiance, had taken the throne, causing unrest and discontent among the people. James II, a Catholic, had ruled with an iron fist, disregarding the Protestant ascendancy that had been the backbone of England for centuries. His attempts to impose religious tolerance and encourage Catholicism sparked outrage among the English Protestant elite, who saw this as a threat to their way of life. The crisis reached its peak when James II's wife, Queen Mary, gave birth to a son. This new heir would ensure the continued rule of the Catholic line, further alarming the Protestant nobility. In a desperate bid to maintain their power, these nobles turned to a potential savior, William of Orange. William of Orange, a Protestant, was the stadtholder of the Netherlands and the husband of James II's daughter, Mary. He was seen as the perfect candidate to challenge James II's rule and protect the Protestant faith. With the support of several influential figures, including the Duke of Monmouth and the Duke of Somerset, William prepared to invade England. On June 5, 1688, William's fleet landed in England, marking the beginning of the Glorious Revolution. The English army, disillusioned with James II's rule, welcomed the Dutch prince, and the battle for the throne began. The decisive Battle of the Boyne in Ireland, where William defeated James II's forces, marked a significant turning point in the revolution. James II was forced to flee, and his abdication was declared by the Parliament. The Glorious Revolution had a profound impact on English history. The Bill of Rights was passed, limiting the powers of the monarchy, and the Act of Settlement was enacted, ensuring that a Protestant would always be on the English throne. The reign of William III and his wife, Queen Mary II, marked a new era of stability and peace for England. The Glorious Revolution, though initially a crisis, ultimately led to a refinement of the English political system, establishing a balance between the monarchy, the Parliament, and the people. It was a testament to the resilience of the English people and their commitment to their faith and freedom. This historical narrative sheds light on a pivotal moment in English history, a moment that not only shaped the future of the country but also influenced the course of Western democracy. It serves as a reminder of the power of unity and the importance of standing up for one's beliefs, even in the face of adversity.